We discuss about the formation of image in a spherical mirror. At firstly, we discuss about the rules for the formation of image. There are four types of rules for the formation of image. First rule is the when light ray incident parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it must be passed through the focus. Suppose light ray incident and after reflection at this point light ray reflect and pass through the focus. Just reverse of this rule, when light ray pass through the focus, after reflection, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. And third is the when light ray pass through the center of curvature, it returns back in the same path after reflection. Suppose light ray incident and it pass through the center of curvature, the light ray perpendicular to the surface of the mirror. And we know that since light ray angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, here angle of incidence is 0 degree, so angle of reflection is also 0 degree. So light ray pass through the same path of the center of curvature. Rule 4 is the when light ray incident at pole, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Light ray incident at pole, here angle of incidence I, the angle of reflection is the R, and we know that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So light ray reflected in this path. We use these rules for the formation of image in concave mirror. First, when the object at infinity, when the object at infinity, suppose this is the concave mirror and this is the principal axis, pole, center of curvature, focus. Focus is the midpoint of the center radius of curvature. The light ray incident parallel to the principal axis coming from the infinity, and we know that the light ray incident parallel, it must be passed through the focus. We take the another light ray, suppose this is the another light ray, it is also parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it must be passed through the focus. So image is characteristics of image, real, inverted, very diminished, and at focus. Now the second formation of image, when the light ray beyond of the center of curvature, the light ray beyond of the center of curvature, beyond of center of curvature. This is the concave mirror. This is the principal axis, center of curvature, focus, the light object present here, AB, suppose AB is the object, the light ray incident parallel to the principal axis, and this light ray pass through the focus, another light ray pass through the center of curvature and return back in the same path, then the image is formed A dash B dash. Characteristics of image will be real, inverted, small size is also called diminished, and between C and F. Third formation, this is the second formation of image, and third formation of image, when the object at center of curvature, the object is center of curvature, the object at C, this is the concave mirror, and this is the pole, this is the center of curvature, focus, and this is the object at center of curvature. The light ray incident parallel to the principal axis, and this light ray pass through the focus. Another light ray goes through in this direction, and this light ray cut at this point. Then the image is formed at center of curvature. The characteristics of the image will be real, inverted, and same size and at center of curvature. Same size at center of curvature. Fourth formation of image, when the object between C and F, when the object between C and F, this is the fourth rule, object, this is the concave mirror, pole, center of curvature, focus, the object present, AB object present between C and F, the light ray incident parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it must be passed through the focus. Another light ray goes through the center of curvature, and after reflection this light ray return back in the same path, and these two light rays cut at this point. Then the image is formed beyond of the center of curvature. The characteristics of the image will be real, inverted, magnified, and beyond of center of curvature. Next, when the object at focus, this is the fifth formation of image. We take the concave mirror first. This is the concave mirror. This is the principal axis, center of curvature, focus. The object present at focus, suppose AB is the object, light ray incident, and after reflection pass through the focus, another light ray pass through the center of curvature, and this light ray become parallel. And we know that parallel light rays intersect at infinity. So image also form at infinity. The characteristics of the image will be real, very magnified, inverted, and at infinity. And last case will be sixth case, last case, when the object between pole and focus, the object present between pole and focus. We take the concave mirror. This is the pole, this is the center of curvature and focus. The object AB is the light ray incident parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it pass through the focus. Another light ray goes through the center of curvature, and this light ray return back in the same path, but we appear to meet this light ray behind the mirror. Then the image is formed behind the mirror. Characteristics of the image is virtual, erect, magnified, and behind the mirror.